Good morning students, Suprabhatam. In standard 7 we will learn new topic and grammar topic is called make questions. Means how to make questions. Okay. In standard 7 there is one grammar topic make questions. There are so many questions in English. You know the questions which, how many, who, whom, why. Okay. There are so many questions and you know how to make questions in English. But in Sanskrit, you also want to know that how to make question in Sanskrit. Okay. First, you know the meaning, Sanskrit questions and their meaning in English. Now we start questions. Which are the questions we have to write? First questions, there are so many questions. First, kutra. Kutra means where. Okay, where are you going? So here kutra means where. Kim. Kim means what? What is your name? Kim means what? Kiyat. Kiyat means how many? Okay. Kati. Kati means how much. Okay. Here kati means how much for numbers. Okay. Kutaha. From where? Okay. Kutaha means from where? Kimartham. Why? Where are you going? Why are you upset? Okay. Kimartham means why. Kaha. Kaha means who. Ka means who. And kim means who. But kaha in masculine form, ka in feminine form, and kim in neuter form, we put who. The meaning is same. Kaha, ka, kim. The meaning is same. Who. But in masculine, kaha, in feminine, ka, and in neuter, kim. Okay. Now you have to write these questions. Okay. Putra, kim, kiyat, kati, kutah, kimatham, kaha, ka, kim. You have to write 5 times. Now we repeat. Putra means where. Kim means what. Kiyat, how many. Kati, how much. Kutah, from where. Kimatham, why. And kaha in masculine form, the meaning is who. And ka in feminine form, the meaning is who. And kim in neuter form, the meaning is who. Okay. I hope you understand the questions. Questions words. Which are the question words? Putra, kim, kiyat, kati, kutah, kimatham, kaha, ka, and kim. Now we will make question. Okay. From these words we will make questions. There are so many questions we will make. First, Kisoraha Pathsalam Gacchati. Okay. Kisoraha Pathsalam Gacchati means who goes to school. In English we can say Kisoraha Pathsalam Gacchati means Kishore goes to school. Okay. Kisoraha Pathsalam Gacchati. We will make the question with kaha. In bracket you see the word kaha. And kaha means what? Who in feminine form. Okay. Kaha means who. So we put kaha means who means we put kaha in place of Kisora. And at last the sentence is same. There are no changes. Okay. We put only kaha and sentence. At last sentence both are the same. Pathsalam Gacchati. But at last we put question mark. Okay. Remember that if you make question, you have to put question mark at the last. Okay. Now second, Khushbu pustakam pathati. Khushbu reads book. Okay, Khushbu pustakam pathati means Khushbu reads book. Here in bracket which word? Kim. Kim means what? What does she read? Okay, in English we make the sentence what does she read? And answer she reads books. Okay, so here we put Khushbu and Kim in place of pustakam and pathati, and at last we put question mark. Okay, Kim in place of pustakam means what does she read? She reads books. Means answer Kim, we have to put Kim in place of pustakam. Now we come into third sentence. Rajeshah kridanganam kridati means Rajesh plays in the playground. Kridanganam means playground. Now in which word bracket? Putra. Now what is the meaning of putra? Putra means where. Means where does he play? In answer, where does he play? So he plays in the playground. Means we put putra in place of kridanganam, and sentence there are no changes in other words. Rajeshah, putra, kridati, and at last we put question mark. Okay, without forgetting. Now coming to fourth sentence. Rama pratna gitam gayati means Rama sings prayer. Ka. Okay, we make the question mark, question sentence with ka. Here Rama is in feminine form and the meaning is who. Means Rama pratna gitam gayati. Rama sings prayer. Who sings prayer? What is the answer? Rama. So we put ka in place of Rama, and at last the sentence is we have no changes. Pratna gitam gayati, and at last we put question mark. Okay. Now coming to fifth sentence. Chhatrah vidyalayatah agacchati. Okay. Chhatrah vidyalayatah agacchati. In bracket which word? Kutah. Kutah means from where. See here. Kutah means from where. So we put kutah in place of vidyalayatah means chhatrah kutah agacchati. Okay, and at last we put question mark. Okay, now we come into sixth sentence. Vidyalayasya arambah ekadash vadane bhavati means the school begins at 11 o'clock. Okay, ekadash vadane, the school begins at 11 o'clock. Which word we make the question? Kada, and kada means when. Okay, so vidyalayasya arambah ekadash vadane bhavati. So we make questions. Vidyalayasya arambah, we put kada in place of ekadash vadane bhavati, and at last we put question mark. Okay, means vidyalayasya arambah kada bhavati. When the school begins? The school begins at 11 o'clock. Okay. Now 7 number. Mayurah varsha kale nrutyati. Okay, Mayurah varsha kale nrutyati. Here we make the question with kaha. And what is the meaning of kaha? Kaha means who. Okay, kaha means who. So we put kaha in place of Mayur, and at last there is no changes in sentences. Varsha kale nrutyati, and at last we put question mark. Okay. Now 8. Pustakam pustakale vasati. Pustakam pustakale vasati means books lives in library. Okay, means Kim Pustakalaye vasati means here what is Kim. Okay, here Kim. The meaning of Kim is in neuter form. The meaning of Kim is who. Who lives in library means Pustakam. Okay, so we put Kim in place of Pustakam, and at last there is no changes in sentence. Pustakalaye vasati, and at last we put question mark. Okay. Now 9 number Maharsihi Matul Gruham Gachati. Okay. Maharsihi Matul Gruham Gachati. Here we make the sentence with Putra. And what is the meaning of Putra? Means where? Where does Maharshi go? Maharshi goes Matul Gruham. Okay. Maharsihi Putra. We put Putra in place of Matul Gruham and Gachati, and at last we put question mark. Okay. I hope you understand how to make questions with all of these words: Putra, Kim, Kiyat, Kati, Kutah, Kimartham, Kaha, Ka, and Kim. You have to write all the questions and question words in your notebook with clear handwriting. Okay.